It's Miss OG here. I'm going to do a quick video on reminding you how to plot points in Geogebra and just to make the screen look a bit nicer. So, the first thing is that your screen probably looks like this when you open it or something similar. You might want to have a grid, you don't have to of course, but it makes it easier to read off points later on. So all you do is right click on anywhere on the screen here in the graphing window and of course choose grid. If you want to change your points, so for example if we're modeling, often we don't need the negative x and y axes, so you can just click on here, the big cross, that's your movement tool, and so you just click anywhere and drag it. That just gives you more space to see the points that you have plotted. So the next thing is that you might want to plot points. So normally by default your spreadsheet window doesn't open, so you have to go up to view and then choose spreadsheet, and it should appear over here. Now I've already pre-prepared this, but then it's just a matter of typing in your points, whatever your data values are. Remembering mine will be different, completely different to yours. To plot them, you just do it like a normal spreadsheet, so you just start on your first cell that you want to plot, and you click and drag and make sure you highlight all the points you want to plot. You'll notice up here your toolbar has changed, and you go to the third button that looks like a point. Go to the little arrow that's in the corner there and choose the second one, list of points. Choose that, just go create, you don't need to do anything there. Now, it looks like nothing happened on my screen, but if I look to the side here, this is the algebra window, you can close at any time by clicking on the cross and go up to view to see it again. So it does show some points here, so it must have plotted. So what's happened is, if I look at my values, okay, my x's are not so bad, or t in this case, but the depth of this data is about depth of water in a harbour. And here I see these numbers are bigger than what my maximum is. So if I just click anywhere in the graphing screen, so I get the normal toolbar back, I click on my movement tool again. Normally your cursor looks like a cross. As soon as you go near the axes, then it has a thicker line in the middle. So if I click and drag, I can see now I have all my points. And if I look at my t values, I need to go up to 33. So again here I need to just a normal cross, go near the x-axis and just drag it so I can at least see don't drag your whole screen, at least drag to see 33. So there are my points. If you want to change any of the formatting or color or anything like that, just get your normal cursor back. If you click anywhere in the graphing window and go to graphics, here you'll be able to change things like your axes labels, which you might need to do later on. So for example, I want to call mine, because I'm using time and depth, I'm going to choose my x-axis, I want it to be t, and for my y-axis I want that to be a d. So it'll just relabel the axes there. Again, if you want to change anything about your grid, change the color, make it darker if it doesn't print so dark. And then there are basic things here. Colors, if you want to make your axes bold, those sorts of things. You can change all of that there. Okay? All right, that's a good starting point. Good luck.